Hi guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make YouTube shorts on Canva. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Cool. Okay, let's jump into it. So to start with, what we're going to do is we are going to come to canva.com and we're going to come to this search bar here. So what's great about Canva is it has so many templates. As you can see along the top here, you've got templates for YouTube thumbnail, Facebook post, YouTube banner, logo. It is amazing. If you've watched any of our other videos, you guys know that I absolutely love Canva. I think it is incredible. But sorry, okay, let's jump into it. So we're going to come to the search bar and we're going to type in YouTube Shorts. And we're going to click that here. You can also type in TikTok Shorts as well, as they are the same dimensions. So you can use either. So as you can see, YouTube short templates, and we've got 349 templates. So you can choose from any different one, lots of options for you to choose from, which is amazing. Or you can type in TikTok. So let's type in TikTok video template. And as you can see, whoa, wow, 176,000. So we've got loads more available here for the TikTok template. So again, you can scroll through and find the one that you want to use, and then you can edit it and make it your own. So we're going to start from scratch, and we're going to not use a template, just so I can show you guys a little bit more about how to use Canva and everything. So I'm just going to type that back in. There we go. Right. Okay. So I'm going to start with this blank template here. And as you can see, we have got down the side different options for you to choose from. So you have got elements. So that's where you can get videos, pictures, graphics. We've got text. So we can see lots of different text options we can choose from. We have then also got uploads. So this is our uploads that we've uploaded to Canva. And then we've also got draw as well, which we won't use, and then we've got photos and videos as well that we can search from. Canva have a great amount of stock footage that you can use, so yeah, that's all sort of within there. So let's start by adding our own video. So what we're going to do is I'm going to click on uploads, and then I'm going to do upload files. So I have got this free video footage. So I'm just going to click on these and add them all. So I've got these videos from a website called Pexels. So what's great about Pexels is there's lots of different stock footage for you to take. There's stock images as well. And what's great is that you don't need to reference the creator. So who took the videos or the photos. You have got the option to say like thanks to them, and you can do, but you don't have to, which is what was really great as well. So I'm going to go back, and as you can see, I have uploaded my video. So I'm going to start with this one. So if I give that a click, and then as you can see, that has now come over. So it doesn't quite fit. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make it fit. So I'm just going to reshape, make sure I get the kind of bit I want, which is the ocean. So I'm doing mine on California sort of beach. So as you can see, if we give that a click, and there we go, just looks absolutely gorgeous. So that is a little bit long, 13.8 seconds. We don't need it that long. So I will just bring that in a little bit and make it, I think we'll probably do maybe 3.5. Okay, so what we then want to do is we then want to add in some text. So I'm just going to come over to the left hand side and click on this text button here. I'm going to press add a heading, and I'm going to say, let's have a look. So the best thing about California is ... Okay, so we can now edit this text to how we want it. So let's move it on up. Let's change the font to what we want. Love Anton, I always use that one. Yeah, no, I was going to stick with that. We can change the size, so we can make it a little bit smaller. We can change the color if we want to. So we could make it orange, blue to sort of fit in with the surroundings. And then we can also add a background to the font as well. So if we click on that and then click add effect, and then as you can see, we've got this background option here. So there we go. That has added a background. So we can change the color. So we could make it like a different blue, an orange, something a bit funky. You can then also change the roundness of the bubble. The background, which is really cool. The spread of it, how big do you want it? And also the transparency as well, so we can make it really light and things. So if we do that, and then the best thing about California is, so if we move our timestamp, here we go, press play. Amazing. And then what we want to do is we then want to add another video. So I'm going to press on that plus button, come back to uploads, and then I'm going to click on, I think I was going to say the surfing, or I'm going to click on this one here. So again, this doesn't quite fit. So I'm going to make it fit. Oh yeah, stunning. Okay. Amazing. Again, doesn't need to be that long and everything. So we're going to copy this. So the best thing, so let's copy this text. We are going to come over here onto this video, make that at the beginning, and then press. And then we're going to change this, and we are going to say and then we could make this all caps because we are just in awe of it. And there we go. Let's see. I'm going to take that back. I've got to see, the best thing about California is the sunsets. And as you can see, that is just amazing. So I just want to make this a little bit bigger. So it's kind of important to, get the best bit for me, to get the best bit. So we're just going to move that. I'm going to press play, and then we just want to make sure, you get that beautiful. You can see that sunset is just stunning with those surfers. So we can add a transition. So if we click in between, you've got this, we can add a page if we want to, but we're going to add a transition. So clicked on that, and then we've got all these different transitions. So we can do a slide, line wipe, color wipe, circle, match and move, flow. So loads of different, like a stack. I quite like a slide. I'm quite a simple girl. So so if we just press play, and then we can just watch that again, and then it's going to slide into our transition, and that's it. Amazing, guys. And then once you are finished with your YouTube short, what you then want to do is come up to the top right hand side, click on share, and then you can download. So you want to download as an MP4 video. So you can then hit the download button. It is going to download for you. And then once that has finished, it will then be ready for you to use in your downloads file. And then you can see our video is here. So if we give a double click, and then it is just loading for us, and then amazing. All done. Amazing. And that's it, guys. That is how to make a YouTube short in Canva. I really hope that you guys found this video useful. If you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. We really do appreciate it so much. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.